children, today we are going to start with chapter 4, that is life and challenges in ocean and Iceland. So Neha, who lives in Delhi. कहाँ रहती है ये? दिल्ली में रहती है and visited her uncle's house where it is Andaman Island. She was captivated by the vast ocean surrounded there and the island and curious to learn about people who live close to it. Right? So in this chapter, I will tell you about the ocean and disaster and Iceland. Now we have already learned about the five major ocean. Each has its own unique characteristic. कुछ vast है and some are interconnected and they cover most of our planet. So these ocean not only support wide range of marine life. ऐसा नहीं है कि खाली marine life को support करते हैं, उसके साथ साथ ये crucial role play करते हैं in regulating the earth climate and what it's provide resource and connect people and culture across the globe. Understanding and protecting these oceans is essential for the health of our planet. Now, ocean and disaster. Oceans are essential part of our planet. What they provide? They provide foundation for the life in water and on land. There are more than vast bodies of water and what they influence climate. और क्या support करती हैं? Ecosystem and they are integral to many aspects of human life. Right? Now the connection between oceans helps to create what? Rich and diverse world under the water. Some of the same fish and plants you might find in the Pacific Ocean can be found in Atlantic. देखो जो आपको fish आपको पैसिफिक ओशन में मिल रही है, बहुत बार क्या होता है आपको अटलांटिक और इंडियन ओशन में भी देखने को मिलती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू हैव सीन सीवीड ऑन द बीच, दैट टाइप ऑफ मेराइन प्लांट कॉल्ड एल्गे, they can grow in different ocean. What ocean do? Ocean play a key role in the Earth's water cycle. As moisture from the ocean rises into the atmosphere, later it turns as rain, sustaining plant life and replenishing river. Without ocean acting as water pump, the earth would be barren landscape. Earth कैसा होगा? Barren होगा. Right? Now, so we have some ocean produce more than half of the world's oxygen through microscopic plant, जो है आपके phytoplankton. ये क्या करते हैं? ऑक्सीजन को रिलीज करते हैं through photosynthesis, much like trees and forest on the land. Now, ocean have also supported human civilization through the history. It has provided food and resource such as mineral and energy, and while serving as routes for exploration and trade. And fishing, it has been crucial part of the daily life of the people in the ocean. Now, tsunami. While ocean support life, देखो ocean क्या कर रहा है? Life को support कर रहा है. With which it is also capable of creating powerful natural disaster. One of the most dangerous ocean related disaster is tsunami. What is tsunami? It is a series of large waves caused by sudden movements under the ocean, such as earthquake, volcanic eruption. आपने देखा होगा जब volcano वो earthquake आता है, एक sudden eruption होता है, वो किसी को पता नहीं होता, ठीक है, और वाइब्रेशन हो जाती है. कोस्टल रीजन जो नियर द पैसिफिक ओशन है, जैसे आपका जापान हो गया, इंडोनेशिया हो गया, ये एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं सुनामी बिकॉज दे आर लोकेटेड नियर एरियाज जहाँ पे फ्रीक्वेंट अंडर वाटर अर्थक्वेक्स आते हैं, वहाँ ज्यादा होते हैं. टू कीप द पीपल सेफ, मेनी कंट्रीज हैव नाउ डेवलप्ड अर्ली वार्निंग सिस्टम, जिससे आप सुनामी को डिटेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड अलर्ट पीपल टू मूव टू हायर ग्राउंड. और ये अलर्ट करते हैं लोगों को कि आप क्या करो, हायर ग्राउंड पे जाओ. अनदर डेंजरस इवेंट दैट कम्स फ्रॉम द ओशन इज अ साइक्लोन. साइक्लोन्स क्या है? दे आर स्टॉर्म्स दैट फॉर्म वार्म ओशन वाटर. ये क्या फॉर्म करते हैं? वार्म ओशन वाटर. एंड व्हाट दे क्रिएट? स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स, heavy rainfall, right, and high waves. When cyclone reaches the land, it can bring extreme weather condition. Wind can reach speeds of about over 100 km per hour. Powerful enough to uproot trees, damage buildings, and cause flooding. More instance when cyclone Ampha struck India in 2020. What it caused? Widespread destruction. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? Widespread destruction हुआ. In where? In the parts of West Bengal and Odisha. Here the case study is also given of tsunami of 2004, December 26 में आई थी. And what happened? Many countries around the Indian Ocean, they caused huge earthquake under the sea near Sumatra, Indonesia. Sumatra Island जो है इंडोनेशिया में है, वहाँ पे हुआ है. And this made ocean floor move. जो ocean floor होती है ना, वो frequently move कर देती, right? These waves, some as high as 30 meter, struck the shores of countries like Indonesia, Thailand, Sri Lanka, and India. Now, Iceland. It is a part of land which is surrounded by water on all sides, and you can see that they get special name. Iceland come in all shapes and size, and there are thousands of them around the world. नाउ आइसलैंड्स ऑफ इंडिया, इंडिया क्या है, होम है टू ओवर 1315 आइसलैंड, and the Andaman and Nicobar Island, the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep in Arabian Sea are two of the most important islands. अंडमान आइलैंड क्या है, these are the house of historic, जो सेलुलर जेल है वो आपका कहाँ लाई करता है, अंडमान आइलैंड में ही लाई करता है, इन सिरे विजयपुरम विच इज फॉर्मली नोन एज पोर्ट ब्लेयर। ये एक सिग्निफिकेंट रोल प्ले करता है ड्यूरिंग इंडिपेंडेंस स्ट्रगल से, right? Andaman and Nicobar Island are a group of 572 islands, out of which about 38 are inhabited. Some primitive tribes live here. They live in the wild and have little contact with outside world. And the only और जो active volcano है वो कौन सा है, वो आपका इंडिया में बैरन आइलैंड है, where it is situated in the Andaman Sea. और जो आपका लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड है, it has small 36 coral island in Arabian Sea. जो आपके केरला कोस्ट पे, इट इज फाउंड बाय कोरल पॉलिप्स, व्हेन पॉलिप्स आर टिनी सी ऑर्गेनिज्म, ये ऑक्यूमुलेट करते हैं कहाँ पे, सी बेड पे, एंड व्हाट आर फॉर्म्ड, कॉरल्स आर फॉर्म्ड। नेक्स्ट इज लाइफ ऑफ द पीपल। If we talk about the people, they live a unique life over here and they develop special ways of adapting to their surrounding. Island community, they are very close to nature and ocean and they have greatly influenced their daily life. Now fishing is the primary occupation of the people. वो सी फूड पे रिलाई करते हैं for their livelihood and even transportation. लोकल जो फिशरमैन होते हैं, what they do, they use traditional boats. ये traditional boats का यूज करते हैं to catch fish and some island have only small proportion and each are supported. Communication and the transport to the mainland can be limited to the people living on the island. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे indigenous tribes भी हैं अंडमान island में that have limited contact with outside world, and what they are doing, they are preserving the traditional way of life. Tourism is an important industry in the island. Tourists come to this island to enjoy the beautiful beaches, coral reef and tropical climate. While tourism provides jobs and boosts the economy, ये economy को भी boost करता है, right? It also come with challenges जैसे pollution हो गया, pressure on the local resource. So living on the island can come with challenges. So due to their isolated location, resources like food, fresh water and medical supplies may be scarce. मतलब भाई खत्म हो सकते हैं और difficult भी हो सकता है उनको बार बार obtain करना. And what natural disaster is also pose a significant what threat to the island community, right? Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.